This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your iPhone with any other device, and you can sync it with your iPad very easily too. So on your iPhone, just go to settings. It's going to be pretty much the same thing as our iPad right here. So just go to settings, locate your name, tap your name right here, then locate iCloud. So we can see iCloud right here, our name, iCloud. Then we want to go on down and just make sure iCloud is turned on, so we can see iCloud backup. Tap this, turn on backup, and we can see backup now. We can tap backup now too if anything ever happens. Then we can go back. Then we want to go to saved to iCloud, and we can see the storage space right here. So it's only 5 gigabytes. So if you have a lot of photos and stuff, this might not be enough storage space. So we can go to save to iCloud, and we can decide what we want synced. So a lot of times I'll probably turn off iCloud photos, just because that's probably where most of the photos are coming from. And then we can go on down if we want to save our passwords, anything else under here, we can just go ahead and look at that. So just turn on iCloud, decide what you want turned on, and it should be synced with your other products. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.